Hi everyone, Dr. Moon. Um, Welcome to Andy Snippet. I wanted to actually um, add on to this topic of the stepwise um, restoration of health. Restoration of health, what does that even mean? It means that we want to address the health of all your organ systems and also your metabolism, your detox system, your liver, um, your neurotransmitters, all of these things, your digestive system, immune system, will, in this process of establishing your health and restoring your health, are all going to be addressed. And not only because they're all interlinked, um, but these habits and things that you will learn in the process will benefit all of these systems. So it's such that your immune system is going to be more efficient and more accurate in determining friendly and unfriendly, foreign and self. Your digestive tract will be more smooth and efficient and healthy